my channel. Today I've got a huge 1,000 subscriber giveaway for you guys. So we did it, we finally reached 1,000 subscribers and I am so excited and so thankful and grateful for each one of you. I just keep picturing like 1,000 people in a room and how anxious that would make me. It's crazy to me that even one person would want to watch me, let alone 1,000. So I am so thankful and grateful for each and every one of you. I think actually as of today is February 4th, we're already at 1,260, which is again crazy to me. So we're almost at that 1,300 mark. And I just wanted to thank each and every one of you so much for watching my videos and for subscribing to my channel. So I did want to do a huge giveaway for you guys at 1,000 subscribers because I, again, am just so thankful and I like doing giveaways. I think they're super fun. I really enjoyed shopping for each of these things for you guys and I hope you guys really enjoy it. So with that, let's go ahead and jump into the rules of the giveaways. So the giveaway starts today, February 7th, and will run to the end of the month, February 28th. I will announce probably by noon that day who the giveaway winner is, and they will have 48 hours to respond. If they do not respond, I will move to the next person. Sorry it has to be that way, but I want to get this out quick to you guys, so 48 hours you will have to respond. I will be announcing the giveaway winner on my Instagram as well as my Twitter, so definitely make sure and follow me on both of those so you don't miss out who the winner is. I will message them on either Instagram, Twitter, or YouTube, wherever I can find them. So let's go ahead after that and jump into the rules. So the first rule is very simple. You just have to be a subscriber to my channel. You will also need to follow me on my Instagram, which is Naomi Rose YT, as well as my Twitter, which is again Naomi Rose YT. So you will need to follow me on all three of those to qualify for this giveaway. And then the next one is you'll need to leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite item of this giveaway is. For an extra chance to win, for one more entry, I will post on my Instagram a picture stating like, here's the giveaway, the picture of the giveaway. And if you tag 2 of your friends in that Instagram picture and let them know to follow me to enter the giveaway, that will give you 1 extra entry. So that will go up the same day as today, February 7th. So you have 2 chances to enter into this giveaway. So after all that, let's go ahead and jump right in. So I got a lot of stuff for you guys. Some of it's cleaning, some of it's household, some of it's makeup because I love makeup. So let's just go ahead and jump right into cleaning. The first thing you guys are going to get is, you can probably guess, a Mrs. Meyers set. This is the multi-purpose spray and this is in the mint scent. And then the dish soap, which is also in the mint scent. And then the hand soap. And the mint scent, every video. And the mint scent, if you're worried if you don't like mint, it's not super minty, it's more like florally clean. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really good. So you will get those as well as a Mrs. Meyers lavender hand lotion and a Mrs. Meyers lavender scent candle. So I'm loading you guys up on Mrs. Meyers stuff apparently. Then you will also be getting walnut scouring pads. These are from Growth Collaborative, as well as a really nice, like these are super thick. This is from Growth Collaborative and this is in beige and it's like really thick. I have the green one of this and I really like it. And this is just a hand towel, so you'll be getting both of those. And then if you watch my clean with me's, you've probably seen this in my kitchen. This is the Growth Collaborative stoneware tray. And I just use this to sit on my sink to put my Mrs. Meyers stuff on and I really love it. It's glass. It's really nice. It fits the Mrs. Meyers stuff perfectly, so you guys will be getting one of those. As well as lastly for cleaning, you will be getting this Growth Collaborative little, what do they call this? A cleaning caddy. I don't know if you can see this because my lights are so bright, but it will fit your Mrs. Meyers stuff perfectly, so you can carry it from room to room and it'll be super cute. And this is like a nice one. This is steel or whatever. Super cute, so you guys will be getting that. And I think that's it for the cleaning stuff. Next thing you guys are gonna be getting, I just thought this was hilarious, so I picked it up for you guys. I don't know why I thought it was so funny, but it's a little, you know those stainless steel cups that you use for water and coffee? This is it, but in a wine glass. So it's an Ozark Trail 14-ounce vacuum insulated stainless steel wine glass, so it's gonna keep your wine cold. And I don't know why I thought this was so funny, but I had to get this for you guys. And then next, I had to get you something Rae Dunn. I always do. This is actually a limited edition one. it says darling, and then it has a heart and a crown on it. And then on the back, I love it, it says love is patient, love is kind. So I just thought this was super cute and pretty, and I love everything Rae Dunn. So I got you guys that. And then next I got you guys a few little paper goods. You see these on my fridge a lot. This is just a little list pad, and it says own your today, and then a little make it count pad, and it's got like a little place to draw the day and some checklists, and then a little bookmark because I love books. It's a blush color with gold and black. Those are like my colors right now, and it says make it count, and I thought that was super cute. And you guys have probably heard me say this several times, but I always say how glitter is my favorite color. And I found this and I thought it was super cute. It's a hot pink glitter little makeup bag, and it says glitter is my favorite color, and it's got a little lipstick thing here, and I just thought that was super cute, and maybe glitter is some of y'all's favorite color too. Next few things you guys are gonna be getting, I just thought these were hilarious again, so I grabbed them for you guys, and it's a S'mores Delight milk chocolate covered gourmet gummies, and these are s'mores flavored gummies. And I just thought they were so funny. I don't know why. So I just thought I'd throw those in for you guys, and you can try them and let me know what you think, if they're disgusting or good. And then I got you a little pack of chokers. You guys know I wear chokers all the time. I love them, and I thought these were super cute. You've got your like traditional 90s one, a little felty one, a leather one. They're just super cute. So I thought I would give those to you guys. And then you will also be getting a lip kit. This is like a lip mask. So first thing, you'll like hydrate and restore your lips, and then you got those little lip things that you put over your lips to make it plump or whatever. So you'll get that. And then you will also be getting one of my favorite lipsticks at the moment. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the color Nudist. I wear this one all the time. In most of my videos, if it's like a brownish color, this is what I'm wearing. So I wanted to include that for you guys. You'll also be getting a little Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. I love these things as a first step to put on your makeup, and they're really hydrating and nice, so I thought I'd pick you guys up one of those. And then you will also be getting the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne Daydream eyeshadow palette. I definitely wanted to include an eyeshadow palette for you guys, and this one has a lot of really nice nude colors. The colors in this palette come with Lucy, Daydream, 1212, Subscribe, and 8, which is just like a dark brown, a light warm brown, a reddish brown, a light neutral brown, and a nice cream color. And then you also get a little blue brush, and I love the packaging on that. How cute is that with the hot pink and the heart? Love it. And then for the very last item in this giveaway, you will be getting a little Real Techniques 12 Sponge Essentials Kit. So this is the full collection of all the sponges from the Real Techniques kit. So you'll get the little diamond one here. I don't know if you can see that little diamond one, a body one, a double-ended one, two little ones. There's just every kind of possible one you can think of in here. And I thought this was so cool and that you guys might like it because I love Real Techniques sponges. So it looks like you get 1, 2, 3 of the normal ones, and then look, this one's like a little circle one. You just get all kinds of ones. So I thought this would be really nice for you guys to include in the giveaway. So that's it. That's everything in this giveaway. I hope you guys are so excited. I loved getting this stuff for you guys, and everything in this is a lot of my favorites, so I definitely wanted to include it for you guys, and I hope you're really excited. Again, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be a subscriber to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, follow me on my Twitter, and leave a comment down below letting me know what your favorite item in this giveaway is. And then if you want one extra entry, again, I will have a picture posted today of this giveaway on my Instagram. Tag 2 of your friends in that picture and let them know to follow me for this giveaway, and that will give you one extra entry. So that's it. That's everything for this video, guys. If you like this video, if you like giveaways, make sure and give this video a big thumbs up so I know that you guys want to see some more of these in the future, as well as hit that subscribe button because you have to enter this giveaway. I would love to have you here either way. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you have a great day. See you next time. Bye.